Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So friends, in this video I'm going to say something about my YouTube channel. Friends, I have created this YouTube channel for learning English, and so far I have uploaded a couple of videos which are really important, which are really effective for those people who are trying to speak English properly, who are trying to get good command over spoken and written English. So if you haven't watched them, do watch them first. That will definitely help you to improve your spoken English. And friends, I'm not a teacher, I'm just a learner, and I'm trying to learn spoken English. So I believe that if I learn English with you, if I share my experience with you, that will be really helpful for me and you also. So friends, today in this video I'm going to say something about my hobby. My favorite hobby is reading books. I read a lot of books outside of textbooks, and I believe that bookish knowledge is not the only way of acquiring knowledge. So that's why I try to collect new books, and I read them when I get free times. Too many reading books can be annoying, but reading books is a hobby to me. So friends, if you want to speak English properly, you have to choose a topic, and you have to say something about that topic by standing in front of the mirror as I am speaking in front of you. Okay, so this will definitely help you to improve your English. So believe me friends, it has helped me a lot, so it will definitely be really helpful for you also. So do subscribe and this channel and try to stay with me. That will be really helpful for you to speak English properly. Thank you for watching this video.